In today's topic, I am going to walk through one of my student project. That project deals with the project management web application. She had done the web application design and she was working in a presentation and she had uploaded on Behance. So a few days back, I was talking about the portfolio and what kind of a projects that you have in your portfolio, right? In today's topic, I'm going to walk through one of the project in a detailed manner. So you can also working on the projects on this kind of a fashion and you can include it in your portfolio. All right. So let's get started. Hello all, I am Rambal from Aspira, happy to see you again. So this is one of my student project and she had done the project management web-based application and definitely being an UX and UI designer, you need to have web-based application project in your portfolio. Reasons are very simple. In a working environment, most of the time you people are working on web-based application only, not the mobile-based application. So why you are not working on mobile-based application? So the reasons are very simple. Mobile apps for the customer's perspective. So if you are joining in any company, if it is a product-based company, that company, they may have the mobile application. For example, if you are joining in Swiggy, what will happen? Already in Swiggy, they have the mobile app, right? But how many people are working as a UX and UI designer in Swiggy? So then what kind of a projects they are working on it? So probably they may working on the back-end process. So those back-end processes are predominantly in web-based applications. So the people, they can able to access those applications using their web browser. So that is the one we used to call it as a web-based application. So this student also done the same thing only. So she had done a project management application in a web-based platform. All right. So I'm going to walk through now. So this is a project management application and this is a hero section of the project. So essentially the hero section of the project should have the important screen of your project so that anybody seeing this hero section, they can able to, or this hero section is increase the or creating an interest to the viewer to scroll down further. So this is what it has done. So this is done perfectly. So now I am scroll down further. So this is, you need to have one small about the project. So what the project it deals with. So you need to have this about us section, about the project section. You need to explain what the project deals with. And here what happened, she had done this menu section. So she kept the menu item here, both lighter version and the darker version. This is one of the nice idea. So instead of showing any illustration or graphical element, instead of that, she is showcasing the menu item. This is more focusing on your design and it creates more interest to the viewers. So viewer is predominantly your employer only. And she is showcasing the color scheme for this project. So for the lighter theme, what kind of a color, and dark theme, what kind of a color that she was using in this project. Then add-on colors, then typography. Typography also, she is showcasing the hierarchy of the typography. So heading font, heading 2, heading 3, title, body text, small text, and variations of the font and sizes of the font. So this is the hierarchy. So you have to showcase this kind of a hierarchy in your project. Then icons. So what sort of an icons that you are using in this project, you have to showcase all the icons in a very decent, balanced manner. Then you need to showcase your UI components. She is also doing the same thing. So she is showcasing the UI components. What are the UI components that she created for this project? She put it on one single section and there is a navigation bar, buttons, graph, calendars and grid system. So what kind of a grid system that she used? Then important elements, then lighter theme and darker theme mark, then light theme screens. So essentially what will happen, all the students or the beginners, they predominantly showcasing the home page, the dashboard only. But here what happened, she took a different strategy. Instead of showing the dashboard as a first screen, she is showcasing the projects. Reasons are very simple. This is a project management tool that she had done the design. So that is the reason she is showcasing the projects as a first screen in her presentation. Then she is showcasing the task screen, and this is also is being highlighted on the left hand side. So this is a task screen. Then she is showcasing the home screen. So this approach is very unique. So you should not follow the structure always. You have to showcase the dashboard only. So if you are working on web-based application, you have to work on minimum 3 to 4 interior screens as well and showcasing the important crucial screen rather than the dashboard alone. Then the same thing, she is showcasing the dark themes. Then finally, she had done the collage. So now you have a question, why we have to showcase all these kind of important elements, grid systems, UI components and typography. So basically what will happen, if you are showcasing all these elements separately and if you are showcasing it on our project presentation, what will happen, the employer will understand that you are a developer friendly designer. So you can able to handing over your design file in a structured, clear manner to the development team. So this is what it represents. Alright, so this is what you have to showcase your grid systems, components, elements, icons and typography hierarchy in your project. Alright, so I had walked through this project and how to present your design. If you have any queries, we can discuss on the comment section and we will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.